Alright, good morning guys. I'm over here at HB Auto Sound. Got the car super clean. Look at that mirror finish on the hood. We're gonna get one of my favorite mods done today, which is interior and undercar neons. I'm just gonna drive. Sorry, we're doing it with cell phone camera today, but I forgot to put a memory card in the camera, so we're just gonna make do. Well, we've seen this before inside HB Auto Sound right now. Let me turn this way. So they took my car, they're installing it right now. All I can do is really show you the lobby, and it's always this way, you know, you can't go back there. But it's finally time. I'm gonna have my undercar LEDs, interior and undercar done. So you guys know me, anyone who's been watching the channel since the first time I did this, I was super hyped when this part was done. This is like one of my favorite mods. Can't wait to show it to you. So just gotta wait now. All right guys, so I just got home from HB Auto Sound, and look at the feet on glow. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I got that interior footwell neon back, so I'm super happy about that. And then I have this switch right here, which that lets me control the undercar neon. So when it's blue, there's neons running, well, LED, there's red LED running under the car. And then when it's black, that means there's nothing. Hey guys, so for the last piece of the video, I'm gonna show you what happens when you do this. So it's under the side, in the front, and it's also in the back, so it's all around. And that's just from locking and unlocking. You see? Unlock the car, lock the car, and when I unlock, also the interior. So if I lock, oh, the door's open, but unlock, close it, lock, it goes off. All right, so I'm super happy with the results. I mean, you know, you can't beat the red neons, red everything. It's one of my favorite looks. Yeah, so on to the next one. Just, you know, another day, another mod. But if you guys want a sneak peek at what the next mod is, I've already got it in the living room. I'll show you. I wonder what is inside this box. That's the only hint. All right, guys, see you later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, thumbs up, all that stuff.